Most traders think high volume means strong levels, but that is exactly where they get trapped. In this fixed range volume profile for beginners on the 15-minute chart, price did not move from the busiest area. It moved from the quietest one. Why did the biggest move start from a zone where almost no volume exists? And more importantly, how can you identify that exact point before the move even begins? Watch this carefully, because this will change how you see the market. The first clue is the change of character. Here, the market was making lower highs and lower lows, but suddenly, that structure breaks. This shift tells us that sellers are losing control and buyers are stepping in. But this is not an entry signal yet. It only sets the direction. Now the real setup begins to form. Before any real move, the market takes liquidity. Here, price moves below the previous lows and triggers stop losses. Most traders think the market is going down, but this is just a liquidity sweep. Smart money collects those orders to fuel the next move. Now that liquidity is taken, the real setup starts forming. After taking liquidity, the market creates inducement. Here, price forms equal highs, attracting breakout buyers into the market. It looks like a strong move is coming, but this is actually a trap. Smart money is building liquidity on the opposite side, and this liquidity becomes the target for the next move. Now focus on this demand zone. This is where price previously moved up with strong momentum, showing smart money involvement. But here is the mistake most traders make. They enter as soon as price touches this zone. We do not enter yet, because without confirmation, even a strong zone can fail. Now focus on the buy-side liquidity. Above these equal highs, a large number of stop losses and breakout orders are resting. This is where most retail traders expect price to go. And that is exactly why it becomes the target. Smart money moves price toward this area to collect that liquidity. So now we know where the market is likely heading. Now we apply the fixed range volume profile on this move. This tool shows where the market traded the most and where it moved quickly. Notice the difference here. This middle area has high volume, which means price spent a lot of time there. These zones act like magnets, where price slows down and consolidates. But look at the demand zone. It sits inside a low volume area. This tells us price did not stay here before. It moved away very fast. And when price returns to a low volume zone, it usually does not stay. It moves aggressively again. Most traders focus on high volume, but the real move comes from low volume imbalance. Now we have a clear edge. We just wait for confirmation. Now price comes back into the demand zone. Most traders enter immediately at this point. But that is where they go wrong. Notice how price slows down instead of reacting strongly. This tells us the market is not ready yet. We do not predict the move. We wait for confirmation before entering. Now we wait for confirmation using the trend line. As price compresses, we draw a simple trend line over the lower highs. This helps us track when momentum shifts. Once price breaks and closes above this trend line with strength, it signals that buyers are stepping in. This is where we prepare for entry, not before. Now we enter the trade after confirmation. Price breaks the trend line with strength, and we enter on the breakout or the small pullback, keeping risk controlled. And as expected, price moves quickly through the low volume area. It targets the buy-side liquidity above, completing the move.